Hello guys, Diba here and it is Libra girl. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about eyebrows. Today I'm going to show you all how I do my eyebrows. And I have never plucked my eyebrows. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Today I'm going to use this brown pencil to fill in my eyebrows. I will blend the brown color with this pulley brush. I will do this process until I am satisfied with my brows. I will use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to carve out my eyebrows. It will also help me to hide my unplucked eyebrows. And now I'm going to use this brush to blend my concealer. After blending this concealer, I'm going to set my brows with this pulley. And now you can see the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, then please do like, comment and share this video. And if you didn't yet subscribe to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel below. So for now, bye bye.